Hi everyone, this is Dhanasekaran, Assistant Professor, Electronics and Communication Engineering, KS Rangasamy College of Technology. In this video, we're going to see about global system for mobile and the subject name of mobile communication and networks. So these are the outlines, introduction, features of the global system for mobile, architecture of GSM, how does GSM work, services of GSM, advantage, disadvantages, applications. So, introduction, GSM stands for Global System for Mobile Communication. It's a digital mobile network commonly used by the mobile phone users around the world. It is popular of three digital wireless technology systems, TDMA, that is time division multiple access, global system for mobile, and core division multiple access. And it uses a combination of frequency division multiple access and time division multiple access, TDMA. And it uses four different frequency bands, 850 megahertz, 900 megahertz, 1800 megahertz, 1900 megahertz. And global system for mobile converts and compresses the data before sending it along a channel with two other stream of user data, each with its time slots. GSM have a different size of cells, macro, micro, pico, and umbrella. In this macro cell, the size of cell base station antenna is installed, and micro in this micro cell, the antenna height is less than the average roof level, and pico it's a small cell diameter of few meters, and umbrella it's covered the shadow that is fills the gap between the cells region. Next, the futures of GSM Global System for Mobile. It supports international roaming, and it's clear voice clarity. It can ability to support multiple handheld devices and spectral frequency efficiency, low powered handheld devices. So easy of accessing network, international ISDN compatibility, low service cost, new future and services. So coming to the architecture of GSM network comprises many functional units. The mentioned below, that's a mobile station, base station subsystem, network switching subsystem, operation subsystem. So this is the architecture of the GSM. We have a mobile station, a base station, network switching in mobile station, and base station transceiver, base station controller, and the network switches. We have a home location register, visitor location register, authentication control on the mobile switching center, and the public switching telephone network. And operational support subsystems. So in mobile station, in the GSM mobile station, the user equipment and software needed for communication with the mobile network, the mobile station, mobile equipment, subscriber identify model. These mobile stations are connected to the tower connected with the BTS through the transmitter, transceiver, which comprises the transmitter and receiver. Transceiver has two performance, that is sending and receiving. The next one is base station subsystem. Base station subsystem handles the traffic signaling between the mobile phone and the network switching subsystem. So it has two components. One is base transceiver station and base station controller. In the base transmission receiver, base transceiver station, which facilitates the wireless communication between the user equipment and the network. Every tower has a base transceiver station, and base station controller has a multiple BTS, that is a base transistor station. So you can consider the BSA as a local exchange for your area, which has a multiple tower, and a multiple tower has a BTS. So coming to the network switching system, the network is the core network of GSM that carried out call and mobility management functions for the mobile phone present in the network. So NSS have different components like MSE, that is a mobile switching center, visitor location register, home location register, authentication center, EAR, that's equipment identity register, public switched telephone network. In MSE, associated with the communication switching function, and it can help call release and routing, setup, tracking, call forwarding, everything happen performed in the MSC level. And VLR is a database which contain extract location of all mobile subscriber, and HLR database containing pertaining the data regarding subscriber authorized to use GSM network. And authentication center, it will authenticate the mobile subscriber that wants to connect the network. And EAR database keeps the record of all allowed or banned in the network. If you are banned in the network, you cannot enter the network and you cannot make the calls. And the public switching telephone network that connect with the MSC, and originally the network fixed with along a telephone line system. So now almost entirely the digital its core network, and it includes mobile and other networks as well as the fixed telephones. So operation supporting subsystem entity which network operator monitor and control the subsystem. The purpose of operating support subsystems is to offer the customer cost-effective support for all global system mobile for mobile related maintenance services. And OMC stands for Operation Maintenance Center. It's a part of OSS. OMC monitor and maintain the performance of mobile station, base station control, mobile switching center within the CS. And there are subsystem BSS, NSS, OSS are connected with each other via some interfaces. Totally 3 interfaces are there: AIR interface, ABS interface, and an interface provides a communication between the BSS and MS. So how does the GSM work? So GSM describes the procedure for the second generation digital mobile networks. You can see the figure in the slide. Such those use the mobile phones, and it's a broad area for the communication technology program that uses a digital radio channeling to provide audio information, multimedia communication system. And the every GSM radio channel is a 200 kilohertz broad, and it's further divided into frames of 8 time slots. The GSM system consists of mobile station, base station, and interweaving switching system. GSM allows 8 to 16 audio user to share the single ratio channel. Each radio transmission can have a number of radio channels because it's simplicity, cost, and accessibility. GSM is now the most often utilized network technology in the Internet of Things. And the next is service of GSM. We have 4 services. One is bearer services or data services, tele services, supplementary services, and GSM security. And GSM, that is a data services mechanism, data transmission. The original GSM allow data rates up to 9600 bits per second, and the data service permits a transparent or non-transparent data submission. Transparent barrier services, physical layer to transmit the data. Non-transparent barrier services use a protocol of layer 2 and 3 to implement the error correction and flow control. And tele services, video call and face emoji, text messages. For in the supplementary services, we have a conference call, call waiting, call forwarding. And GSM security, it offers a security using confidential information stored in the authentication center, and it's in the individual SIM also. That is a subscriber identify model. A SIM stores the personal secret data and it's protected within a PIN against unauthorized use. So these are the advantages of GSM: complexity, security, efficient bandwidth utilization, and international roaming, wide multiple few service features. So compatibility, it's compatible with many different networks and devices. And coming to the security, features such as authentication, encryption, confidentiality, which helps to protect the user and privacy data, and the efficient use of bandwidth, the time division multiplexing techniques, which enables many users to share same frequency channel for the different times. And roaming, GSM allows user to roam internationally and use their mobile phone in the other countries that use the same GSM standard. And the features, the wide range of feature including call forwarding, call waiting, voicemail, conference call, and more. Disadvantages: limited coverage, which can make it difficult for the user to make the call access the internet, and network congestion, because of draft calls, poor quality, congested during the peak hours. Security vulnerability: GSM offer enhanced security and data transfer speed. It's a slow data transfer speed, such as 3G and 4G. Limited capacity. So the limited capacity of handling large volumes of data, which can be a disadvantage for the users who require high speed internet or other data intensive applications. So these are the applications: mobile telephony, voice, internet protocol integration, SMS, mobile banking, smart home systems, surveillance systems, alarm systems, and cell broadcasting. After watching this video, go through this question and try to answer this question. Thank you.